called the Basilica.
I think the name of this one is amazing. And it's the first time we've ever doubled down. We're putting this on IGTV and the daytime show because we love it so much.
So it's called the Basilica because I am...
You know, like a basilica, like a big domed church.
Right, so this is kind of looks like an upside down dome church and has basil in it. So it's called the Basilica.
Basilica.
Right, so what I'm going to do is muddle some basil in the bottom.
Oh, that's a stem. Give me that. Thank you.
I'm going to muddle some basil in the bottom of this cocktail glass.
If you don't have a muddler, you can just use a wooden spoon.
Add some vodka.
Could you use gin too, hon?
You certainly could.
Okay. Interchangeable. They're kind of the same thing, but one has aromatics.
And then I love this Saint Germain.
Saint Germain is elderflower liqueur. It's very light, and John uses it a ton in cocktails. It's so lovely and just light. It's very light sweetness and a floral flavor, of course, because it's elderflowers.
And then some fresh squeezed lemon juice.
Quite a bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice.
Can you dump this?
Oh, chill your glasses. John loves to do this for every martini and many cocktails, so I'll dump this out.
Shake, 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 shake.
Shake your basilica. This one is a crowd pleaser. It really is. It's beautiful.
Basil, lemon, vodka, Saint Germain.
That's it.
I'm garnishing.
Garnishing. Garnishing.
Basil.
Thank you, my darling. Cheers, everybody. Happy pizza party. Insanely good.